All right, very beautiful people. Um, this is a quick video trying to explain how I traded this NFP news today, and this was exactly my entry today, and the news itself was so beautiful. So we have well, of course, we had so many news today, but everyone was focusing on the NFP, and of course, as we see, the NFP news came out, and we see the previous data was 56K, and we can see the actual data came out 50. So the actual data came out lower than the previous data. And we see in the news guide, and I hope everyone has this news guide, when NFP comes lower, we expect the USD to be weakened, and from there now we expect gold to rally, okay, to spike up, to go bullish. All right. So if that's so, how are we going to trade the news? So I'm going to explain to you the easiest way to trade news right now. The easiest way. I'm not gonna say this anymore, all right? But I'm gonna expose. Of course, I've already talked about how to trade news in the previous videos, so go on and check it out, okay? In YouTube, go on and check out. Now, the easiest way to trade news is you wait for the news to come out, all right? And then you look for the structure, okay? The structure supporting the news information. So if the news says we are going to buy, you need to see structures supporting you to buy. Easy like that. Do not trade news aggressive. You're going to be stopped out many times, many times. So now look at this. So the news came out at this point here, according to my time zone. This here was the news. Look at. So the news says the news guide says we need to go and buy because the news came out lower than the previous one. But look at the candle that printed the news information went and sell. So it was a sell candle. So for those who were selling, there was I don't know. I don't know even how to explain it. I think somebody cried here today. But I was waiting for the structure supporting the news. So look at this. The news happened and then price went above to create a break of structure here. So we have this break of structure. And of course, what type of break is this? What nature of break this? Of course, I've already talked about the nature of break on my YouTube channel. Go on and check it out. So this is the sudden break, meaning we expect the price to end up, the market to end up at the area of break. So I was looking for the entries at the area of break. And of course, we had uh, multiple touches there. So price was creating a strong level of support. So exactly after the price break this level here, I was expecting also the price to come back at the same level because that was the strong level of support. So look at that. Price came back to that level and that took a buy. 300 pips collected today. Can you imagine how beautiful is that? Can you imagine how beautiful is that? So do not trade news aggressive. Just look for the supporting structures of the news. All right? Easy, easy like that. Easy like that. Easy like that. So that was a quick recap for the news. See you on the next videos and get prepared. I'm having a series different series I've prepared for you in this year. So please share the videos, share the channel so that everyone can learn something big is happening in this year. So thank you very much. See you.